Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this lecture, we are going to study Class B chopper. In the last class, we have studied Class A chopper. So if you want to see that video, you can check it in the channel playlist. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. This Class B chopper is also called as single quadrant chopper. As we have studied in the Class A chopper, it is also a single quadrant chopper, but it operates in the first quadrant, whereas Class B chopper operates in the second quadrant. So from this graph you can see, in this Class B chopper the average load voltage is positive, but the average load current is negative in the Class B chopper. This is the circuit diagram of Class B chopper. It consists of a DC voltage source Vs, a diode D, a chopper switch and RLE load. This chopper switch is connected across the load as you can see in the Class B chopper. Now let us see some important points related to Class B chopper. In Class B chopper, the load voltage is always positive but the load current is negative. In this type of chopper, the load must contain a battery or DC source as we have seen in the circuit diagram of this chopper. The power flow in this type of chopper is always from load to source, whereas in the Class A chopper the power flow is always from source to load. This type of chopper is called as step up chopper, as in this chopper the average output voltage or average load voltage is always greater than the input DC voltage, whereas the Class A chopper is called as step down chopper because in the Class A chopper the average load voltage is less than the input DC voltage. Class B choppers are used for regenerative braking of the DC motor. Now we will see the working of Class B chopper. In the Class B chopper, when this chopper switch which is connected across the load is on, that means it will act as short circuit. When it will act as short circuit, then a current starts flowing in this loop consisting of load and this chopper switch in the anti-clockwise direction. So the load current will flow in this direction when the chopper switch is on. Now as this chopper switch is connected across the load, so the short circuit created by the chopper switch will come across the load. Therefore in this case the load voltage V0 will be equal to 0. Now as soon as the current starts flowing into the loop, as this inductor is energy storing device, this inductor starts storing the energy and the polarity of the voltage across this inductor will be plus on this upper point, minus on this lower point. Now when the chopper switch goes into the off condition, it will act as open circuit as you can see. As soon as it will act as open circuit, what happens? Due to this voltage across the inductor VL, this diode D goes into the forward bias condition and eventually it goes into the on condition and it will start conducting the current in the direction of the DC source. So now again the current starts flowing in this loop in the anti-clockwise direction. Now if we apply KVL in this loop, we will get load voltage V0 will be equal to R into I plus E plus voltage across the inductor is L di by dt, where I is the current through the inductor. So here you can see, since the average value of the load voltage in the Class B chopper is greater than the input DC voltage Vs, therefore this type of chopper is also called as step up chopper. Now in the Class A chopper, when the current is flowing from source to load, we have taken the load current to be positive, but now here the load current is flowing from load to source, therefore we will take this load current as negatives. So in both the cases, as we have seen, when the chopper switch is on and when the chopper switch is off, the current is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction. Therefore we can conclude that in the Class B chopper the average value of load current is negative as the power is flowing from load to source. Therefore this type of chopper will operate in the second quadrant because the load voltage is equal to positive but the load current will be negative in the Class B chopper. So hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.